Okay, in this lesson, I am going to show you how to actually create a file and read and write to that file. So I'm going to actually create a Python file. I'm going to name it file.io example 10, and we'll see what happens. So okay, I'm going to name this file as file.io example 10, and okay, try to type that. This file will actually show how to okay, so anyway, to create or write to file, okay, we must use the switch, actually W switch. Okay, so there you go. Files equal open, and file name, I'm going to call it test file 10.txt. Okay, this is the text file, and again you're going to use W to actually as a switch to read and to write to the file. So I do file dot write, and let's say test file line 1, and put a carry return, Control C, Control V, Control V. So 3 lines. Okay, when you use the open function, you have to close the file after you done using it. So good. I'm going to say file.close, calling a close function. This way the file will close. Okay, so now the second block here, I actually open the file to append text at the end. Okay, so but this time okay. We are using the Python context manager. Okay, this will prevent the resource leak if we forget to resource leaks because the context manager will close the file for us when we are done using it. Okay, and the contact manager actually is the keyword with. So with open, and we're going to open the file. So the file name is testfile10.txt, and the switch that we're using here to append is A, and we actually open the file and assign the file name as, let's say, called file1, and we need the indentation there, so we go file1.write. What this do, it will write at the end of the file, so just go appended line 1, and I'm going to actually add a carry return, and I'm going to append another line to it. So Control C, Control V, and appended line 2. Okay, and I'm just going to append 2 lines only. And again, now I'm going to open the file to read and write to the console. Okay, so again, we are using the contact manager, so with open, actually it's easier if I do this. Control C, Control V, oh, I'm sorry. Okay, and we are going to assign this file here to a file 2 as file 2, so we are going to call the readline function. This readline function here let's allow us to read the very first line of the file. So print that read line there. Okay. And we are going to read the next line by repeating that statement there. So Control V, now that's to read the second line, right? And after we read the first 2 lines, we want to go back to the top, seek, go back to position, the top of the line, so seek 0. By the way, I need to change this to file 2. Oop, mistype it. That's file 2. Also here's file 2, seek, and we are going to print the whole file by using the file 2.read. Okay, that will read the whole files and dump it into the console. Alright, that will do that, and let me see, let's just test the code real quick to see if it worked. I hope it worked. Run, this is file 10. Oh, there's some error here. print file to read line dot read. Oh, I have to change this to a read plus. Okay, so I copy and paste it without changing that. So in other words, this is a here, that's append, or plus allow it to read, write. Okay, so the switch R pluses allow you to open the file for reading and for writing. So okay, it's working. So let me see. Test file line 1, test file line 2. That's print there, right? So why did it skip? The read lines here actually. Okay. Okay, in other words, this, you see this carry return here? I want to stop that, so I'm going to actually add an end statement here. Just say, hey, end it with just, like a space or something. And the same thing here. To create an end statement equal that, and that would probably, hopefully it work better. Okay, there you go. So test file line 1, test file line 2, test file line 1, test file line 2. Why do I do it twice? Oh, I see. Okay, so this one here. Let's do a, give it a line break here. So let's see. There you go. So anyway, this program here, okay, allow us to create a file here called test file 10.txt. Okay, we create a file and then we actually write to the file. There's 3 lines here, test file line 1, line 2, line 3. We have to close the file because when you open it here, you need to close, and we reopen the file here to append 2 lines here called append line 1, append line 2. Let me see, did it append it? Okay, it did append right here. And then we reopen the file again, this time to read and write to the console. Now this read line here, it's actually just read one line, right? So I'm just going to say read one line, and then read the next line here. Read the next line, and just print a carry return here, and then we actually go back to top of the file and dump the file to the console. Okay, and that's it. And again, I'm just going to run it one more time, and I'm done. So let me see. There you go, it's working. All right.